Alright, here we are taking a look at this Miuko. This is the jump starter. Already used it for a while. You get all these tips here. All these tips. The USB charging cable. This one you could use is to put on the lighter if you want to jump start the car from the lighter. And this is the connections. You could change the tips here. Just take them out and just put it here. This all the ends goes the jump starter there. I'll show you now. So you get the user manual, nice and detailed, and this card here, thank you card, warranty card. So this is very good for lawn mowers, and it will also jump start a car. This is where you put the fit in on the output, so you could use it on different devices, whatever you have. You got a lot of tips here, different applications, different devices. You get two of the USB. This is input here to charge it. So you charge it with this cable. This adapter, you charge it. Just plug it here. There you go. I used it already for a while. It's already charged. As a matter of fact, it comes charged also from when you buy it. So very nice and useful if you have a lawnmower or a car. You can leave it on the car as just in case you need it as an emergency. I'm gonna go ahead and use it to start this lawnmower. As you know, lawnmowers, the battery, they last for 2 years. That's it. Well, here we are, 2017. This battery is from February 2013. All right, and here we are. Today is Monday, 28th. So if you have this a jump starter like this one, you don't need to buy a battery. The thing is that the lawnmowers won't have enough charge to keep the battery charged. So as you see here, there's nothing. I'm gonna leave it rolling so you see that I am doing it with this battery. Let me go ahead and get it ready. Bear with me. Positive and negative over here. Then you plug it over here. As you see, it has a flashlight there too. It's ready. Just go ahead now and that was it. Pretty easy. So you also have the light here. If you press here and leave it pressed, it will come on. Flashing. This is a warning light. And off. There you go. Pretty nice device. You don't need to buy a battery anymore with this here. This will keep it charged. Alright. Can you please press the help button? That way I know someone watched the video. Can you help my channel by subscribing? I will gladly appreciate it. So this device, it has enough current. The peak current is 1008 right here. Start current 700 amps, peak current 1000 amps. That's enough to jump start a car a couple of times. Look the battery. still charged. There you go. Thank you for watching.